Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, one of the major disadvantages um, of teaching online is definitely the ability to engage students in your class and make the class active. Definitely, this is one of the disadvantages and one of the major challenges. Now, there are a couple of solutions in Microsoft Teams. Well, actually, it's not for Microsoft. There are a couple of applications that are integrable with Teams that can help you with making your class active and monitor um, participation in class. Um, I cannot claim that they are effective because I did not use them. However, يعني they are recommended, and I will do a review of some of these um, applications that you can download. There are many others, of course. One of them, um, one of these applications is called Wooclap. Wooclap is an application that helps you to generate questions like multiple choice questions or short answers or match and mix questions and during the class, and then collect the answers on real time. Wooclap is has a free version um, that allows you to post two questions per event or per class, let's say. Wooclap can be used also during regular classes, so it does not have to be an online class. But it's one of the applications that's integrable with Teams, with Microsoft Teams. How to download the application is you go to the apps in there, and as you can see, there are many apps in there. You can then search for it by name. It's called Wooclap. And then I will click add to team. Now it says here that it's available for the whole team, but you can start using it in a specific channel if you like. Now this is Wooclap. I already downloaded the application. Now I go to my Teams group, and I will make this a tab so that I can use it. So this is Wooclap. So Wooclap now is added. This should have been the first screen. It will ask you to sign in using your Microsoft account, and of course it's recommendable to use the university Microsoft account. So it should prompt you for a username and a password. Sometimes it does this, sometimes it does not. I don't know why, but anyways, this event is for my first class. You can of course choose whatever name that you want. So this is class meeting 1, and then I will save. And as you can see, there are many different types of questions, or let's call them class activities that you can add. Let's say I want a multiple choice question, so let's say this is my question now, and let's make it a little bit more technical. So what is the unit for energy? So type here joules, amperes. Well, that's enough for now. So let's now save this question. If you click start now, it will post the activity to the students. I don't want to do this now, so I will just save this. You need also to select the correct answer. So the correct answer for this one is joules. Of course, this will not appear on the students' screen. As you can see, you can like shuffle the questions, change their locations, and you can add pictures. So let me now save that. And you also can add a matching question. So let's say match the following quantities to their units, and you put the matches here in like as the correct pairs on the specified row. So let's say I have current, unit of current is ampere. I'll just put the voltage, and voltage is measured in volts. And let's say then you have charge, and the unit of charge is Q, which is for column. Oh, C, sorry, for column. Then let's say this is my second question. So as I said, the free version allows you only to add use 2 questions per one event. So I'm expecting that if I added one more question, then it will not allow me. And as you can see, there's a start button. Now once you click start, then it will appear to the students that the activity started, and they can answer the question. So let's now start this question, for example, and let's see now the student already see the question on their screen. On my other laptop, I will click amperes, which is the wrong answer, and I will click on submit. So this is now the result for the you can see the results in here. You can see that the student responded already. I have only one student. If you have more, you will see more answers, of course. And then, well, this is how the results looks like. And then you can show the correct answer. And as you can see here, the correct answer is joules. So now the students can learn that this is the correct answer. Now if you want to exit, let's say go back to your screen, you can exit from here. You can go to full screen mode, you can make this smaller, or you can go to the next activity. So let me now exit. Let's say now we exited this, and then we want to start the new activity. So then you can start the new activity from here, and then the students can answer. So they can mix and match. So let's say that I'm answering the quiz myself now. So now you can see that the student is answered the question. This is the most frequent. Well, it's because I have only one student. This is why I'm showing it. And then I can show the students the correct answers in here. And then again, if you want to exit that, then you can see the results. And you can exit. You can type some things. It looks like from here too. Now you can exit the event. Now another application that you can use is called Flipgrid. Flipgrid is an application that allows you to post a prompt, and then students can respond with videos, and then you can specify the length of the video so that students can respond to your prompt within a certain time. So to download the application, same thing, you will go here and then you will type in Flipgrid. And then you can add it to Teams. And as you can see, it says that it's already in Teams. Now if you want to use the app, what I will do is that I will add it here as a tab. Add. So this is now Flipgrid. Now let's see. I did not add this as a tab, or it wasn't added as a tab. Okay, so it says here create an account. Sign up with Microsoft. So next, Flipgrid will take you to some windows in which you will enter your information and create an account. And after creating the account, you can see here that it's a welcoming page, and then you can create a new topic. So startup discussion, get started. Now here you create the title. So let's say describe yourself in 2 minutes. Let's say, well, this is the prompt itself. So this is my first class meet and greet, or let's say meet and greet. This is meet and greet, and each one, well, maybe 2 minutes is a lot, so let's make this as 1 minute. Then English, create topic. Now you can see here that I have a link. You can copy this link and then all set. And then in Microsoft Teams, you can paste the link. And then students can go over that and record their videos. And then after the students click the link, it will ask them to log in using their information, and then they can record their videos in there, and then you can see the responses. Now if you want to add this as a tab, you can specify the channel, and then you can click on add tab in there, and then Flipgrid. And here you need to paste the URL, so I will just paste the URL I copied before, and then you click on save. So this way it's been added as a tab. Now students can access and you as well can access the videos through this link. So now these are two of the applications that can help you with teaching and involving your class while teaching remotely. There are many other applications that you can find on the Teams apps as well. This should conclude my video tutorial series. Thank you very much for watching. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم.